Today's topic is subtraction. Here we subtract from 7,39,268 minus 2,68,495. Here we follow the rule all from 9 and last from 10. Here 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Next we follow the rule 10 minus 9 equal to 1. Add 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Next 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Next 9 minus 8 equal to 1. 1 plus 9 equal to 10. Here 0. We next follow the rule all from 9. Last from 10. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Reduce my 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Therefore, the answer is 4,70,773.